If you're like me and you're wondering what Tinder Vibes is all about, this video is for you. What's going on, guys? It's Wingman Plus. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to answer every question you have about Tinder Vibes. What it is, what it's there for, and how you should be using it to maximize the number of matches on Tinder. Before the video starts, make sure you pound that like button, and if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. So for the past couple of weeks, Tinder's been teasing that this new Vibes feature was going to be coming out, and it's finally here. This morning when I opened my Tinder app, I saw it pop up, and I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty intrigued. Tinder Vibes is basically another Tinder event similar to Tinder Swipe Night. So basically Vibes is gonna ask you a few questions about yourself, and when you answer them, you'll be paired up with other people on Tinder with the same answers. So the first question is, if I won the lottery, I would travel the world, give it all away, buy Bitcoin, or pay off student loans. Honestly, after being locked in for like over a year, travel the world is definitely at the top of my mind, so I'm going to pick that one. All right, next question. This weekend, let's go hiking, grab a bite, share funny TikToks, and hang at the park. A couple beers at the park kind of sounds like a vibe. Horoscopes are a bunch of BS, my lifeline, fun, but I'm skeptical. Honestly, I'm not a horoscope guy at all. I'm not really the most superstitious person, so I'm going to go with a bunch of BS on this one. You'll know I really like you if I share my Netflix login, cook for you, make you a playlist, and lastly, skip The Bachelor. I don't really understand the last one, but these all seem like solid options. I love cooking. I love a good home-cooked meal, so I'm definitely going to go with cook for you. And the last question is, I'm definitely a morning person, night owl, or professional napper. I'm not going to lie, I hate getting up in the morning. I cannot stay up that late and party too hard. I'm going to have to go with professional napper just by default here. So now that I've selected my vibes, it looks like Tinder's going to let me swipe through. So this is pretty cool. Oh, her profile says virgins only. Well, perfect. Tinder looks pretty much exactly the same, except it has like a new little like rainbow border. Other than that, not really seeing any major differences right now. Oh, got a match, boys. So just going to keep swiping through here. Who's got a goat? Okay, weird. Yeah, again, like not really noticing too many differences between normal Tinder and Vibes. Okay, a little glitchy Tinder. You may maybe get on that. We'll fast forward this part. You guys don't need to see me put in my vibes again. All right, back to Tinder here. So swiping through. Okay, definitely a cutie. Oh, not bad. Little match. Nice. Okay, here we go. So this girl popped up, and first thing I see on her profile, it says mutual vibes, travel the world. So it looks like we both had the same answer to that question. So I know it doesn't look like much, but when people are swiping through here, this is going to make your profile stand out a little bit if you have common vibes with people. So if you are looking to maximize the number of matches you're getting on Tinder, Vibes might be a really good tool to doing that. First off, I recommend being yourself. Like, be pretty honest about your answers, but at the same time, you could be a little strategic too. Like, think about what girls are going to answer to their questions and maybe try to match up with it. For me, the biggest one is saying horoscopes are BS. That's something I've never been into, but I know a lot of girls are into horoscopes. So that might have been a big missed opportunity, but I'm sure I'll have other mutual vibes outside of that one too. So at the end of the day, guys, Vibes is not the biggest deal in the world. It's not like it's a crazy new feature on Tinder that you need to be super fired up about, but there are a few things that I will say. Every time Tinder rolls out a new feature, they often reward people who hop on that feature early. Like when Instagram came out with Reels, the people who were posting on Reels early were very well rewarded for it with thousands and thousands of views. And this is because developers want people to start using the new features that they're rolling out. So if you are looking for a little bit of a boost on the Tinder algorithm, I highly recommend that you use Tinder Vibes right away. Secondly, I know it's a little cheesy, but Vibes might be a good way for you to stand out. When girls are swiping through their matches and seeing hundreds and hundreds of guys, the fact that you do have a mutual vibe should at the very least make your profile stand out. And if people are swiping very impulsively, like quickly swiping through Tinder, the fact that you have a colorful little badge on your profile psychologically does kind of help you out. What do you guys think about Vibes? Tell me down in the comments your opinion on it, if you're enjoying the feature, or if you think the whole thing's just kind of silly. Either way, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you pound that like button and hit subscribe. Peace.